Hello students, in previous class we discussed about the money market. In today's class we are going to discuss about the difference between the money market and capital market. So we'll start from the money market. So already we knew about money market. As we discussed in the previous class, money market is a market where the short-term securities are traded. That is traded for less than 1 year. So money market is a segment financial market where borrowing and lending of short-term funds take place. The maturity of money market instrument is from 1 day to 1 year. As we have discussed in the previous class, this market is a market where securities are traded from 1 day to 1 year. And in India, this market is regulated by both Reserve Bank of India and Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, next, capital market. So here capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stocks, etc. The buying selling is undertaken by participants such as individuals and institutions. Under this market, the instruments which are traded is shares, those are equity shares, preference shares or debentures, and this market is also called as medium and long term market, where usually the securities are traded for more than 1 year. Students, now let us discuss the difference between the money market and capital market. Okay, the first one is based on term. Money market fulfills short-term credit requirements of the companies, such as providing working capital to them. And the capital market tends to fulfill long-term credit requirements of the companies, like providing fixed capital to purchase land, building or machinery. So money market provide funds to the working capital, that means for day-to-day work, and capital market provides funds to the companies for their long-term investment. Okay, the second one, liquidity. Under money market the liquidity is high, and under the capital market liquidity is comparatively less. That means converted into a cash, the securities can converted into a cash within a short period of time in case of money market, but in case of capital market, comparatively money market it is little less. Okay, and the third one, the basis is risk. The instruments traded in money market carry low risk, hence they are safer investments. That means if the investors invest into a money market, the risk of the investment is very less, where there is a more chances of collecting interest or dividend. But in case of capital market, risk is high compared to money market, where capital market instruments carry little high risk, where there is a more chances of getting losses in capital market. Okay, and the next one, major institutions. That means what all the institutions plays their important role into a money market and capital market. So the major institutions that work in money market are the central bank, commercial bank, non-financial institutions and acceptance houses. So these are the institutions are engaged in the money market, or we can say these are all the players of money market. And the major institutions which operate in the capital market are a stock exchange, commercial bank, non-banking institutions, etc. So these institutions plays a very important role in capital market. They are the most important players who are going to work under the capital market. Okay, the next one, returns. Money market have lower returns as compared to capital market, and capital market instruments give higher returns as compared to money market. So this is the opposite of risk. Where risk is high, the returns is high, and where the risk is less, returns also are less. Similarly, under money market, the return is less, and under capital market, the return will be little higher compared to money market. So in today's class, we discuss about the difference between the money market and capital market. Okay students, take care, have a nice day. Thank you so much.